Hey, I know you're super busy. You've got deadlines, time frames, and a boss who doesn't know what you're up against. Being an engineer, architect, or CAD designer means you're pretty smart. You make up one of our planet's most noble professions. But your profession also comes with some sticky points. Without the right tools, stuff takes longer. Issues come up that have to be fixed, work has to be redone, and that new guy insists on doing everything the way they did it at his old job. Basically, the whole thing is sometimes one big goat rodeo. 100% of the 25 largest engineering firms in the United States are Axiom clients. Why? I'll give you an example. Let's say your project is due, like tomorrow. You're about to send the files to your client, and lo and behold, you discover that someone, or perhaps multiple someones, have used the wrong text size. A lot. And turning this into a certifiable dumpster fire, the text is wrong in over 200 files. Or let's say your team used AutoCAD to do the work, because that's what you work in, but the client wants them as DGNs. Okay, no big deal, you'll translate the files. And they come out a total mess. And if that wasn't bad enough, it's a 112 file set, and now you have to find the errors by hand. Say goodbye to your weekends. Here's another mess a lot of folks have experienced. You're working along, minding your own business, when someone drops a new sheet file into your project, right between sheets 23 and 24. Fine. Oh, but wait, now you have to renumber sheets 24 to 350. So you start to figure out how you can give that mind-numbing task to Steve down the hall. He can stay late for the next couple of days. Better him staying all night than you, right? Axiom provides powerful software solutions to these and many other kinds of CAD problems. Axiom tools help thousands of engineers, architects, designers, project leaders, and CAD managers all over the globe. Axiom is the world's largest and oldest third-party developer of general-purpose software tools for MicroStation. And now with the new Autodesk line of products, they're helping even more designers, engineers, and architects get home on time. Axiom has a 30-year, proven track record of reducing project costs, saving time, and boosting productivity. Not to mention, you don't have to dump that sheet renumbering task on Steve. Axiom's purpose is to help you spend more time as an engineer and designer, and less time doing fixes, redos, just basically futzing around with files. Save time. Be more productive with less effort. Axiom's job is to make your job easier.